In this video, I will show you how to use partial gift card balance on Amazon. So to do that, simply open up Amazon in your Chrome. Once you do that, make sure you sign in to your account. After you sign in, click on this three lines menu bar in the top left corner. From here, you can add the gift card claim code to your account via the redeem page. After that, you can simply browse for your items and then proceed to checkout. Once you proceed to checkout and go into the payment section, the partial gift card amount will automatically apply to your total order. And for the remaining balance, you can simply choose credit card, debit card, or any other payment method and simply click on split payment and then submit your order. And that's it. That is how you can use a partial gift card balance on Amazon. And if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.